Alright guys, so how's everyone? So I have a town and country here. So this is a Chrysler town and country. This is a 2010. I have a check engine. So I already deleted, but still already deleted, and after having this is coming up and deleted again, it's coming up. So what is that fault code? This is the P0404. This is a EGR valve performance circuit. So I have a new, because my customer he want to change it, because here on my part, here in this country where I am, the labor is so expensive than the parts. So I have a new EGR now. Okay guys, so this is ordering online from Autorack. So it's good right now here. Okay, this is a OEM, and included the gasket. So here, where's the gasket and bolts? Okay, that's one, the metal gasket and the here. Okay guys, so that, and two 10mm bolts. So guys, what's the causes of the P0404? The common problem guys is a build up carbon inside, or yeah, maybe this inside here, I don't know how to show you up. It's built up here inside the carbon, so maybe this EGR is always stuck open or in. So yeah, because, and the common issue, and again the common issue is on the harness. Maybe it's open circuit, but on my case I already checked on the harness, is still good. Yeah, it's no doubt, because this car is 2010 model and 262,000 kilometer. So mostly guys, this EGR, it's the long life, the short long life is only 68,000 kilometer, and now it's already 262. So times 3 or times 4, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not a good for mathematics, but yeah, P0404, that's in EGR. Where's the location in EGR? Here only, it's easy to change. This is a 4 volt. I got here. Yeah, so remove this socket, and we have, I think this is a 13mm tube there, and 10mm on the exhaust, 10mm to 10mm on the exhaust side. So yeah guys, so that's a common issue, is yeah, giving your check engine. Yeah, and maybe it's rough idle and too much expense on that gas. Yeah, that's one. Rough idle, it's not good, and burning, and too much burning on the fuel is not good, because it's so much expenses on the gas. Yeah guys, so do not ignore. If you have a check engine, much better you go for a scanner and go for the service department or any nearest service shop at your place. Well guys, so this cost of labors is only 1 hour to change it, not included for diagnosing. It costs also half an hour, so you pay for your mechanic just only 1.5 hour. That's more than charge. Okay, 1.5 hours, that's enough. Alright guys, so yeah, so let's gonna do that. I'm gonna show you how to change it. Okay, the first thing to do is you need to pop up this cover. So this is pop up only like that, so that's why you have a big space. Okay, alright, and some other mechanic, or if you are do it yourself, I advise remove this negative terminal, so that's why you can avoid for short circuit, but for me it should be good, so don't be like me, okay? Alright, so remove this socket. Just only this thread is only lock, so push a little bit and push in the back like that and pull. Oh, it's tight. Yeah, so pull this socket, so make sure this red lock is pushed in like that, so that's why you can go. Okay, yeah, I already checked this harness. Go to the socket on the SM. We have a continuity, we have a 5 volt, so it's good, everything is good. Yeah, and now just go away, keep in there, and how 10 millimeter, or just 4 millimeter only, 10 millimeter socket. Okay, hold on. Okay guys, so I already lost here on the exhaust side pipe. So this one, sorry, this is a 8 millimeter, and on the bottom is 10 millimeter. So this is a 8 millimeter bolt, and the bottom is 2 also. Just 4 bolts only, and that's it. So that's why the maximum charge on your mechanic is only 1 hour to change this, not included for diagnosing. Maybe diagnosing 1.5 hours or half an hour, that's enough. So you can pay it 1.5 hour, that's much more charge. Okay, alright guys, so I almost come out. I almost take it off. So see, it's already lost. Yeah, it's easy to change this, guys. So if you want to DIY, yeah, go ahead, I support you. If you have any question, just message me. Go for the inbox message, and as soon as possible I gonna reply you if I already read. Okay, just almost, yeah, that's the one. Okay, here we go. And the gasket is still up here. Okay guys, so that's it. So here's your tools you needed. That's your tools you needed. Ratchet, 10mm socket with short extension, 5/16 or 8mm, and 10mm, 10mm socket or 10mm wrenches. That's it. 8 and 10mm, that's it. Okay, so let's investigate if why giving a code. Okay, here's my EGR, and let's check if it's poor. Alright, so see the carbon. Yeah, I don't know how to show you guys, but the carbon is really good. It's really not good. So let's compare the new. Let's compare the new one. Okay, over there. Let's check this. Oh, see, it's stuck and open, guys. So yeah, I don't know how to show you, but see, that's my new. Is the position on the fin, and looks on my old. It's hard to see, but it's very different position, guys. So it's hard to say it's because it's full of carbon, but I don't know how to show you. See, yeah, that's the position right now on my old, but look on the new. See, It's very different, guys, so it's no doubt. Alright, so when you put it back, make sure this side on the lip gasket, we need to clean it, and also in this pipe. Just only sandpaper. By sandpaper, it should be good. Make sure it's clean and no leaking. Alright, so that's it. Just 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. I guess we hope you enjoy my video. And thank you so much. Again, this is a machine nailer and the fault code is P0404 EGR valve. Thank you so much and have a good day. Give me a big thumbs up.